What's up guys? Today I'm going to go over my 5 favorite groom prep photos. I consider these to be must-have photos because if you get nothing else but these 5 photos, the groom and the bride will be very happy with their final gallery. First 3 relate to details. So number 1, photograph the groom putting on his easier details. This will include his watch, his shoes, and sometimes his tie. Number 2, grab his best man, his dad, or any close family member to help him put on his tie, his pocket square, or his boutonniere. Number 3, grab his best man, his dad, or a different close family member to help him put on his jacket. Number 4, you gotta make sure you get those groom portraits. You wanna make sure you grab the groom at his most proper and dapper. For this, I suggest putting him by a window, turn off the ambient light, and take advantage of the natural light. And number 5, make sure you get those candid moments of him hanging out with his boys.